Welcome back, travelers, to another episode of Ghurtecholo. Today, we are exploring the mesmerizing paradise of Raja Ampat, Indonesia. Get ready to dive into a world of pristine beauty, vibrant marine life, and unforgettable adventures. Let's go! Hello, adventurers. I'm Shahidullah, and today, we are in one of the most breathtaking places on Earth, Raja Ampat. Raja Ampat. Located in the heart of the Coral Triangle, this archipelago is renowned for its incredible biodiversity and stunning landscapes. Raja Ampat is made up of over 1,500 small islands, cays, and shoals. Our first stop is the famous Piaynemo Island, known for its iconic viewpoint. Wow, look at this view. From up here, you can see the emerald green islands and turquoise waters stretching as far as the eye can see. It's absolutely stunning. Raja Ampat is often called the underwater paradise. The marine biodiversity here is unparalleled, with over 1,300 species of fish and 600 species of coral. Let's dive in and explore this underwater wonderland. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a beginner, Raja Ampat offers something for everyone. The visibility underwater is fantastic, and the reefs are teeming with life. You'll encounter everything from colorful corals to majestic manta rays and even the elusive wobbegong shark. But Raja Ampat isn't just about natural beauty. The local Papuan culture is rich and vibrant. Visiting the traditional villages, you'll experience warm hospitality and unique customs that have been preserved for generations. The people of Raja Ampat are incredibly friendly and welcoming. Joining them in a traditional dance is a highlight of any trip here. It's a great way to connect with the local culture and create lasting memories. For a different perspective, explore the mangroves by kayak. Paddling through these serene waters, you'll discover hidden lagoons and secret coves. It's a peaceful and magical experience. And as the day comes to an end, there's nothing like watching the sunset over Raja Ampat. The sky turns into a canvas of oranges and pinks, reflecting off the tranquil waters. Raja Ampat truly is a paradise on Earth. From its stunning landscapes to its rich marine life and vibrant culture, there's something here for every traveler. If you haven't added Raja Ampat to your bucket list, do it now. This is Ghurtecholo, and we'll see you in our next adventure. Until then, keep exploring. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Raja Ampat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest adventures. Safe travels and happy exploring.